इन दिनों नवरात्रि का त्योहार पूरे देश में धूमधाम से मनाया जा रहा है एवं बॉलीवुड में भी उस उत्सव की खासी धूम मची हुई है। आइए दिखाते हैं मुंबई के नॉर्थ ब्लॉक के नज़ारे, जहां तमाम सितारों ने जमकर मस्ती की एवं नवरात्रि में दुर्गा पूजा का आनंद भी लिया।
आप सब आइए और ये घरेलू पूजा है और इस बार हम इनिशिएट कर रहे हैं कि एक इको फ्रेंडली वो एक्सप्लेन करेंगी इको फ्रेंडली की बच्चे है।
Yeah, so actually, you know what, at our puja, we have been trying to do innovative things every year. And this year, we've taken a very novel step of moving the entire conventional plastic packets to 100% biocompostable packing. It comes from BASF, a polymer which is an innovative polymer made by BASF, and this polymer is certified for 100% biocompostable under controlled conditions. A conventional plastic will never biodegrade, and this would. So this shows that the Puja committee takes steps even in the smallest of areas, which is actually maybe a small step, but a big leap towards environment friendliness, sustainability. And that's what is one of the very different things that we are trying to do this time, over and above a lot of glamour, a lot of decor, a lot of effort that you see. I think it was not a challenge to get the committee on board, because very advanced thinking kind of mind we have here, and they were
all of us kind of approved
they
in one go.
almost I mean, last year end I had thought about it, and they almost embraced the idea and said, wow, I mean, obviously there are 10,000, 12,000 packages, pouches which are used, and if that can be biocompostable and fully environment friendly, we are actually converting waste into something which is usable, which is compostable. And why not, if the Puja committee can do that? So having the committee members on board was not at all an issue. It was about maybe the process of the whole journey of getting it done, having what we want to put it on the package, because a consumer is going to use it only for a few seconds. And in that few seconds, we want him to understand the value of environment friendliness. So I think it wasn't a difficult journey at all.
Well, members night is a fun night where all the members, their kids, their family, their relatives just come together and perform and have a blast. Someone can sing, some dance, some like do a medley of things, and we've got amazing talent amongst us. So Parumita Di here, Ms. Parumita Sarkar, she'll be singing, and I'll be doing a small number with Bappa and his wife. So there are various other members who will be performing. There is the little kids also, the next generation, they'll be performing. So we are going to have a blast tonight, that's all. Bappa always starts the program with a dhak, and I think that is kind of a sign where Ma Durga's come in. That's what Shoshti is all about. So it's almost like you feel जागृत, जो जागृत feeling होती है वो महसूस होता है, और शंख बजता है, और उल्लू हम देते हैं जो कि हमारा सिग्नेचर है बाहर बंगाली का. So we have a fantastic team here, and we're going to have a fantastic show tonight. मैसेज जैसे कि पारुमिता दी कह रही हैं कि वी शुड बी वेरी कॉन्शियस, इको फ्रेंडली चीज़ें हमें यूज़ करनी चाहिए, और उनका इनिशिएटिव बहुत ही अच्छा है. शी इज़ अ वेरी डायनामिक लेडी. तो कहीं ना कहीं हम वही कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि वी प्रमोट वेयर वी आर एनवायरनमेंट फ्रेंडली, इको फ्रेंडली, एंड वी हेल्प save our society from waste products that is there. Thank you.
नेक्स्ट 9 न्यूज रूम की ओर से अभिलाष पांडे की रिपोर्ट.